I wanna kill my mom. I wanna kill my dad.
In nomine Patris et Filii et Spiritus Sancti.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
How to keep your dog busy for over half hour. Give them a cabbage.
What do you want? You want to go in? You can't go in there.
The next time someone says all pit bulls are dangerous, you can show them this.
Nighttime. Daytime. Nighttime. Daytime.
My whole life I wondered, what will my baby look like? But this is it. This is my baby.
I thought today was your day with the brain cell. What happened? Your turn got skipped again?
I'm smarter than you are, haha.
How do you guys feel about a walk? Do you like walks? How about going outside? Oh!
If you've never lived with a staffy before, the best way to describe it is that you are living with a tiny hurricane that's made out of bricks.
Macy, girl. Come on in. Macy, come. Macy!
What the fuck are you doing up there, you dickhead of a dog? You can't get down there, can you? You thick twat of a thing. I should leave you up there for stealing my pizza.
Be nice to your brother.
Oh my love, 1,000 kisses with you were never too much. Never too much, never too much, never too much. Oh my love, never too much, never too much. 1,000 kisses. Guess what? Peekaboo!
Look at this. She won't leave the snowman. And now she's done eating, and she probably wants water. Skylar, you want water? George? But she won't leave. So I probably have to take the toy and walk with her to get water, otherwise she won't do it.
Murray, come on.